How to uninstall GoPro Quik app. First of all, open the Settings app on your device and scroll down to find Apps or Application Manager depending on your device menu. From the list of apps, scroll down or use the search option to locate GoPro Quik. Next, tap on the GoPro Quik app to open its app info page. Here you will see different options such as Open, Uninstall and Force Stop. Tap on Uninstall. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to uninstall the app. Tap OK to proceed. The GoPro Quik app will now be completely removed from your device, freeing up the storage space it was using. This is useful if you no longer need the app or want to reinstall it later with a fresh setup. Now you know how to uninstall GoPro Quik app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.